who do you think is responsible for solving problems during a project? So, of course, is going to be the manager, and after that is going to be the employees working under him or her. Now, the role of a project manager, he has to lead. Remember, these things are being repeated, some of this stuff. He has to lead the team from the start to finish. You cannot leave the team hanging by themselves. So the team manager or the manager leading the team has to be dealt with it from beginning to the end. There will be ups and downs. Remember, we plan it, but the planning not always works. Sometimes you go up and down. Then the project manager's job is to manage those changes and adjust it accordingly. So he has to adjust the scope, he has to adjust the timeline and the budget. So he has to observe on daily basis what's going on, and accordingly he has to adjust the things. Allocate resources according. So, for example, we have 100 kilometers of NEOM project. We divided that into 10, for example. Let's suppose, just as this example, we have to finish in 10 years. Then he has to allocate resources for every single task to make sure it's completed on time and within the budget. He has to track the progress of every single task as well, and resolve if there are any issues. So, for example, if there is any issue that you're going beyond this time frame, then he has to adjust it to bring it back to its normal. Sometimes it's not in our control. Then what do? We need to adjust the rest of the planning to make sure we finish that end target is met. And we have to communicate with the school, with the stakeholders. For example, in terms of school example, like our manager, Mr. Hamza or Mr. Mikhail, has to communicate with the teachers, with the students, with the parents, with the upper managers, and with the ministry. So all these stakeholders has to be addressed. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. Feel free to raise your hand if you have any question, but I think this is going to be kind of repetition, so hopefully it's going to be easy for all of you, inshallah. Once we finish this one, then we will go through some other lessons for revision before the exam as well. The project manager is the central figure ensuring the project success, because every single thing goes to the project manager. If it's success, it goes to him. If it's failure, it goes to him as well. Of course, the team is involved in there, but he is the main figure to address all these issues and to fix it. They guide teamwork. That's the job of the team manager, the project manager, and handle risks and maintain communication. So all these are duties of the project manager. What makes someone a good leader in a project?